Hello everyone, in this video I will deal with the installation of PmWiki on Linux VPS. First of all, I have logged in on my remote VPS server as root, and I have already downloaded the PmWiki archive. So I have it here, and in order to extract the files, I need to make sure that I have unzip that I have a unzip command line program installed. So I then type unzip and I extract everything. I check directory again and I see pm. I change here, and these are actual PmWiki files. Of course I can check readme, but I just find here that I need to run to see docs/install text. Well, in this file I find instructions that I need to run from my browser PmWiki PHP file, and then follow the all other instructions that I will be given in the browser window. So I first of all, this all content, this all extracted zip file is in my root directory, and I will check for hidden files. I don't see any hidden files here with dot in front of them, thus I will be moving them to all files, www site for then I change to that directory, and these files are here now. In order to track what is happening, I would like to, on this stage, create from these all files Git repository. Yeah, let's do it like that, and I type git add. So first of all, as usual, I create empty file with name git ignore. I add this file using a git add command. I check the status and I see that this green file is git ignore. First of all, I will then create first commit. This is needed for to making changes in future to branching and something like that. Then I see all my downloaded file and I type git add all. When I check here status, I see all files are in green and they will be added to my next commit. I continue this installation of PmWiki, and I have pointed this domain to my remote server in this file using root this domain name. This is a virtual domain name, it doesn't exist in internet, but it's here. And when I open this file, before that I have configured my server to point to accept this domain name as and serve it using by scripts in the folder site 4. So as mentioned in install guide, in install text file, I open PmWiki PHP and I see that I need to run couple of commands. I copy these two commands and then simply paste them. So they advise making all site 4 folder readable, and then so this will be more secure, because users other than root will not be able to write to all site 4 folder any file in there. Anyway, I will reload the page. So it's done. Actually, welcome to Wiki, yeah. And installation is complete, and I want to check what has been changed in the folder. I see that wiki_div directory has been added, and I add everything, and this will be my next step. And simply writing git d as a commit message there. So eventually I have just few commits with my wiki files. So this is home page, and this is without skins, without everything. I just they allow me to edit it. I add some text here, and I want to preview Yeah, here it is, and when I save it, I see my text here. It's done. So the PmWiki is working, and as I see, I didn't need to install any databases. I check status. I see that some pages have been changed, and I just try to find what has been changed there. I try to add everything and see what has been changed. So really some text has been added to few of files, and I can roll back all this text. Yeah, this is the version and the browser and the IP address of the file here of the user who edited the text, and recent changes. Yeah, that's the main home page have been added because it now differs from the default page probably, and I can roll it back using git. I run git reset head. I run git status to see if it has been changed back, and then I git reset hard. I know git status is now the same, but because this is a new files and they're not changeable, and I can try to clean them just by these files are not changed, haven't been changed before. They just have been created now. Yeah, and I remove them. Whenever I remove them, I expect that I will not see this message anymore. So I press F5 and I don't see any, and the last change also has been changed back to some date in past, not today. So this is the way I can change. I can install PmWiki and track all changes and roll back unneeded changes using the git. Also, of course, I can do it from I think administration panel. I have test here, I save it. I see that now it has been changed to today's date, and whenever I see history, it's what has, and this restore will also help me to restore everything. But when I do restore, I probably will see these files that they have been added now. So yeah, of course, when files will be changed in time, they will appear here. It is up to administrator to track, to add them to git commits or not, and when to do it, or automate this process. So this is completely up to owner, developer, administrator. Thank you for watching. This will, I hope you have learned how to install PmWiki on the VPS. Thank you for watching. Bye.